Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how we can buy TRON, the mascot of TRON, in a very simple way using an exchange that doesn't require KYC, at least for now. This is an exchange I use. I'm also gonna leave all the links in the description. At the moment, I'm at the homepage of Mexi.com, the exchange we're about to use in today's video. If you don't have an account, you have to create one. And then when you have your account, you will need USDT, because with USDT, you will be able to buy Tron. I think the whole process of buying crypto on Mexi.com is very easy and simplified. All we have to do is go over here at the left top corner and select one of the options. The quickest ways to buy USDT is going to be either debit or credit card or quick buy and sell. These two will be the quickest from my experience. So when you click, I will show you. You go to this page and then you have to type the amount that you want to buy. The next step is also very easy. All you have to do is go to spot and select the spot option. And on the right, you will see a search bar. So on this search bar, you will have to type T-Bull. And then you click the Tron. Of course, you're gonna get a warning that this project is dangerous and the price can sharply drop, but also go up. So you have to be careful with your decisions because you may also lose a lot of money. I think that once you buy your USDT, it's super easy to proceed with the Tron purchase because you will have to click on spot, this option over here at the left, and then in my case Tron is already selected, but if for you is not, you have to go to the right side and type T and you have to click over here. So when you click it, that's the page that you will see. That you're gonna see the chart, the order books on the left, some other currencies on the right, and of course the buy and sell option. Now in this case we want to buy, so you have to select the amount of USDT that you want to spend on Tron. In this case, on Tron. So I'm selecting that amount and then I'm clicking buy Tron, and that's it. Order is successful. So now if you go to your wallet on the right and then you go on spot, you will see that Tron is in your wallet and you can either hold it in your account on Mexi.com or withdraw it to a cold wallet. This way your Tron is going to be protected because, never leave big amounts of money on exchanges. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. All the links will be in the description and see you next time.